Good morning, children. I am Ramya, your science teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Welcome to the science class. Okay? So, in last class we have discussed about different topics. Today we are going to discuss about the my neighborhood. So, what is neighborhood? What is neighborhood? The area where we live, the area surrounded by our house is nothing but a neighborhood. The area around our house is called neighborhood. Okay? Now your home is there. Complete surrounded by your home, some other places, some other areas, some other houses also there. Those we call it as a neighborhood. The area around our house is nothing but a neighborhood, and the people who are living in that places are called neighbors. What we call neighbors. The area surrounded by our house is nothing but the neighborhood, and the people who are living in that area is we call neighbors. What we will do with the neighbors? We will help each other. Neighbors will help each other. Okay? They will celebrate the festivals. Together. Yes, and many such neighborhood we call it as a city. Number of neighborhoods together we call as a city. That makes a city. Okay, like colony. Total your neighborhood we call it as a part of a colony. Many neighborhoods call colony, and many such colonies make a city. Okay, the area around our house is nothing but a neighborhood. The people who are living in the neighborhood are called neighbors. What is the use of the neighbors? We will talk with each other, we will help each other, we will celebrate the festivals each other. And in the neighborhood, there are many other places. Surrounded by your neighborhood, there are many places. For example, if anyone asks you your house address, okay, they'll ask you where you live. You'll say so and so colony. But exactly where is your house means you'll say near that market, near that hospital, near that post office. You'll say something, some marks, identification marks you will be saying. Beside this post office, my house is there. Like that. That places are present in our neighborhood, in our surroundings. Whatever the places we are there in our neighborhood, we are going to study today. First coming to the market. First one is what, children? Market. Okay? Market. What is there in the market? Why we will go to market? To buy the things. To buy the necessary things, we will be going to the market in our surroundings. That market may be big or small. Market may be big or small, but we are getting our daily need items we are getting in the market. Like what kind of things we will be buying in the market? We will buy eggs, milk, butter, fruits and vegetables. Okay, these things will be available in the market. We will go to market to buy these things. Okay, this is one of the place which is present in our neighborhood. Next, coming to the post office. Second one is post office. What is the use of post office? We can send the letters and we'll receive the letters. We can send the letters. We also receive the letters from the post office, and also we can deposit the money in the post office. We can put the money in the post office, and we will put the letters in a letter box. Where we will put the letters? Letters in a letter box, and these letters will be collected by a postman. These letters from the letter box collected by a postman, and postman will be taking or collecting all the letters and giving to different places according to their address. We also get things like envelopes, postcards, stamps, etc. are available in the post office. Envelopes, postcards, stamps, etc. are available in the post office, and postman will be sending and giving the letters to our address. He will be giving the letters, and we can also send letters to the other persons, and not only letters, we can also send a money order. We can also send money through the post office. We can also send money through the post office. That is about the post office. Next one is a bank. Next one is bank. What another place which is in our neighborhood is what, children? Bank. So in bank what we will do? Your father, mother will be saying always we need to go to bank, etc. Okay. So what we will do? This bank will be keeping our money and jewelry safe. Money and jewelry. It will be keeping this money and jewelry safe. And we can also take money from the bank, and also we can put money in the bank safely. Nowadays we can see ATM machines near the banks and also in our neighborhood. What these ATM machines will do? They will, what is the full form first of all? ATM. Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. This machine will give us money. Whatever the money we require, how much amount of money we require, this ATM will be giving us. Okay, this is about the bank. Next coming to the hospital. So we are in our neighborhood, we are having the hospitals. Yes. Why we go to hospital or clinic? We call it as a clinic. So if we are sick, when we are sick, we will be going to the hospital, and there we will be treating by the doctors. Nurses also will be there, nurse. Okay, doctors. What they will do? They will treat us. Whatever the problem we are having, if we say to them, they will take care of us, and they will be, if it necessary, we should stay there only. We should stay there and we should get admitted in the hospital, and doctors and nurse will be taking care of us, and there will be a dispensary. There will be a dispensary is nothing but a small hospital. We call it as a small hospital, only which we can get We can see the chemist is nothing but the medical shop. We can see a medical shop where we can get a medicines. Where we can, doctor after observing us, after treating us, he will be giving some medicines to us. That we are getting in the medical shop. The person who are giving medicines are nothing but the chemist. Whatever the prescription written by the doctor will be seen by this chemist and he will give the particular medicines to us. So medical shop also will be there in the wherever the hospital is there. Next coming to the fire station. Next coming to the fire station. Fire station is nothing but it will be shut down in the fire. If there are any fire accidents, suddenly if there is a fire in our houses or in our neighborhood or any other places, suddenly fire comes, what happens? We have to call to this person. They will be coming, and that vehicle contains, they are having vehicles, and those vehicles contains the water and the fire stoppers. It contains the water and fire stoppers. They will shut down the fire. What they will do? They will shut down the fire and immediately they will stop in the fire with the help of water and the fire stoppers. This is about the fire station. Last nothing but the least is coming to the police station. Police station. In police station, why there is a, in our neighborhood there will be a police station for each and every area. So why it is there? They will help us in finding our lost goods. Whatever the things we lost, that things will be, they will search and they will be searching for the thief and they are bringing the lost goods to us. The person who are living in the police station are policemen, are called policemen, and they will be like safeguards of our area. Who are safeguards of our area? Policemen. Policemen are the safeguards of our area, and they will be giving us the lost goods, and they will be protecting us from the thief. They will be protecting us from the thief. And we can also see the policemen and the women. Policemen and the policewomen on road near traffic signals. Those we call it as a traffic police. Those we call it as a traffic police, and we have to obey the traffic rules. Here near Pulam Chaurasta, Gandhi Chowk, we will be seeing the police. Okay, they are standing in near the lights, the traffic lights, and they are seeing observing the vehicles. Okay, those are nothing but they may be women or a men. Those we call it as a traffic police, and they will be controlling the traffic, and we have to, what is our duty? Our duty is to obey the traffic rules. We have to obey the traffic rules. Not only these places are present in our neighborhood, but many other places are also present, like temples, okay, cinema theaters, schools, parks, etc. There are many other places which are present in our neighborhood, and this is all about our topic, neighborhood. Okay, now I will be giving you the worksheet. Here is the worksheet. First question is, what is neighborhood? The area surrounded by our house is nothing but a neighborhood. Second one is, why do we need post office. Why we need post office? To send the letters, to get the postcards, stamps, envelopes, and also to send the money order. We need a post office. Third one, how does the police help us? Just now I told, they are the safeguards of our colony, of our neighborhood. Okay, where do we go to buy medicines? Where we will get medicines? I told, after treating the patient, doctor will be writing the prescription. Okay, he will be writing the medicines and giving us to buy. Where we will go to buy? We will go to medical shop to buy the medicines. I hope you all understood the class very well. I will be posting the pictures as I am doing previously. Don't worry, you will be understanding the concept very easily, and I will be giving you the one homework here. What is that is, paste the pictures of places surrounded by your neighborhood. Okay, you have to paste these pictures like hospital, temple, schools, whatever it means. This is a homework question. Paste the pictures of the places surrounded by your neighborhood. Okay, this is a homework. So I hope all you understood the class very well. So stay home, stay safe, do the worksheet. Okay, all the